how to fix phone dial pad making squeaky duck toy sound on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on sounds and vibration. Next, tap on system sound. Then tap on system sound theme and change from phone back to Galaxy. Now go back, and if you open up your phone dial pad this time, you can see the touch sound will be different. So it will go back to the default system sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.